Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Welcome to the Guru's Way. Today we'll talk about the martyrdom of Sahibzadas. Actually, there's nothing to talk about. We all know about it. The whole world knows about it now. We remember it so strongly that we celebrate it every year. Sangta, Duron, Nidyon, everywhere in the world remember the Sahibzadas. We are here not to discuss the story of the Sahibzadas, but the teaching of this martyrdom. Because the Guru's way is all about the Panth which reaches Waheguru. And Ajit Singh, Jujhar Singh Ji, Joravar Singh Ji, Fateh Singh Ji, all these four followed that route very well. Today we celebrate the martyrdom, and everybody I see posts very nice poetries. People are crying. People are getting emotional. But I feel that one important thing is missing in all of this. Very few people are talking about, I didn't hear anybody. Why I'm saying very few? Because there might be a few. I'm very hopeful there are a few Gursikhs who know about this. The real reason why Sahibzada Ajit Singh, Jujhar Singh, Joravar Singh, Fateh Singh Ji laid down their life. The real reason of these sacrifices. Broadly, people say that it was because they were fighting for Sikhi. They were fighting for injustice. So my question is, what was the injustice? Why did they have to die? What was the injustice? What is the principle that they defended that you can defend today? So to understand this, we need to go back in history. When Guru Gobind Singh Sache Paatshah gave us Khande Party Ki Pahul in 1699, the 22 Valley Kings, they wrote a letter to Guru Sahib. They sent messages that, Guruji, let's kill our enmity. We also loved the way you gave Khande Party Ki Pahul to all these people. But we also want to take Khande Party Ki Pahul and become a Sikh. But there's a condition. The condition is that when we take Amrit, we will not sit in the same Pangat with these people and have langar. We'll sit separately because we don't like the idea of Guru Nanak making us sit with other people who are low caste. Guru Gobind Singh Ji quickly rebutted the letter and said, no. He said, behold all mankind as one. Manas ki jaat sabhai ek ki pehchan. He said, behold all human race as one, as equal. The same principle that Guru Nanak Ji started. The principle of equality. That Guru Amar Das Ji enforced by saying, Pehle Pangat, Pache Sangat, so that everybody has to sit together in the Pangat and eat, so that they have to understand everybody is equal here. Even Akbar, when he came, he had to sit on the ground and eat with the people over there who were normal people. There's no classification. Rana, Rank, Barabari, Peri, Pauna, Jag Vartaya. Guru Nanak Ji created even the Raja and the Bhikhari are equal in the Gurdwara. Sare bolo Waheguru. So, this principle was not liked by most of India. Why do you think, after being such a great religion, lovely religion, Sikhism did not dominate the Indian landscape? Because Indian landscape was dominated by those people who were loving to create divisions of the four varnas, the divisions of the caste, based on the Simriti, Manu Simriti, ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਰਹਿਰਾਸ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਕੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਰਹਿਰਾਸ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਵਿੱਚ? ਸਿਮਰਤ ਸ਼ਾਸਤਰ ਬੇਸਬੇ ਪਉ ਭੇਦ ਕਹੇ ਹਮ ਏਕ ਨ ਜਾਣਿਓ. ਸੋ ਰਹਿਰਾਸ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਲਾਈਨ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ Simritis explain various type of classifications of people, the varnas and the caste we don't believe in. So Guruji said, no, we don't believe in the caste system. I want to ask you one thing. Do you believe in the caste system? Do our parents believe in the caste system? Are marriages in our house happening based on the caste system? I'm sure no, because you all love Sahibzadas. Your parents love Sahibzadas. They taught you Sikhi. They taught me Sikhi. How can they dare do something which was against the very principle for which these Sahibzadas were sacrificed. How can they do something? That's not possible. Is it possible? I'm sure none of us use any caste-based surnames on the social media. I'm very sure you all love Sahibzada Ajit Singh and Jujhar Singh. You cry when they die on that movie, or when you hear about their sakis. You cry looking at Chote Sahibzada Shahidi. But when it comes to practical life, the next morning or whenever it comes in life, we believe in the caste system. We write the caste with our name. We write the caste on our documents. We discuss the caste during marriage. We discuss the caste during voting. We discuss the caste in everything. And caste is not just the caste. Caste system is a bigger cancer. It's the concept of labeling people. Even if all the people in the whole world of the same caste, the human being will divide them into man and woman and start, oppressing the other gender. And if everybody becomes the same gender, they will start oppressing tall versus short. The caste system is not the problem. The problem is the disease that mankind has. The disease of comparison and demeaning others. And the disease of comparing with others and feeling good. Yeah, mere nana la laga main te Guru Gobind Singh Ji was against this principle. And that's why he sacrificed the lives of his son. So my question to all of us, including me, is: have we really even once celebrated the Gurpurab of Ajit Singh Ji, Jujhar Singh Ji, or Zorawar Singh Ji and Fateh Singh Ji? If we have, then we should have left our castes long back. Khalsa hamari jaat, Khalsa hamari paat. Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji, Baniyon Bukhani hai. Guru Gobind Singh Ji clearly said, जब लग खालसा रहे न्यारा तब लग तेज दियो मैं सारा. Baba Banda Singh Ji Bahadur followed the teachings of Guru Gobind Singh Ji to the core, and he won all the battles. And look at us. Everywhere we are doing protests, we are fighting for our own rights, we are begging for our rights. Why? Because we didn't follow the principles of Guru. तो गुरु साहब ने क्या सी, जब ये गहें विपरन की रीत मैं ना करूं इनकी प्रतीत. जैसी विपरन दी रीत करांगे. विपर कौन ने? विपर बामन नु किया. ये बामन दी रीत है. सिमरती, मनु सिमरती, कास्ट सिस्टम, जिन्हों गुरु साहब ने इन्ना सोहना आर्कीटैक्चर बना के दरबार साहब दा 4 दरवाजे बना के कहता कि ये असी नहीं बिलीव करते, फिर भी असी बिलीव करते. सो ये बहुत सोचने वाली गल है. We all need to think about this. कि are we really doing this for just to create a festive environment? कि हाँ साढ़े अंदर शहीद है गए and just to feel proud about it, or we gonna do something about it? Are we really gonna sick, or just put a label Sikh on our head? So let's start sicking. Let's start learning. This is the Guru's way. No caste, only sing and call. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh.